Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see how to close your bank account. If you no longer wish to use bank account, you can close it by following these steps. Before closing your account, ensure you withdraw all your money to another bank account and cancel any active subscriptions or scheduled payments. Open the bank app and log in. Go to your profile in the bottom menu and tap on My Membership to access your account settings. Scroll down, then select Close Account and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your closure. If you face any issues, chat with bank support in the app. Send an email to support@bank.com, or you can call bank customer service if available in your country. Just note that pending transactions must be completed before closing your account, and you may need to verify your identity before finalizing the closure. And finally, subscription refunds are not guaranteed, so check before closing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, unsubscribe for more